Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow account changes, preventing adding, removing, or modifying accounts on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, in here, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we go down to the Allow Changes section, and in here, tap on Account Changes. From here, you can choose between Allow or Don't Allow. And if you choose Don't Allow, then the device will be disabled changes to or prevent changes to adding, removing, or modifying accounts in password and accounts. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.